Well, guys, we're gonna go meet Debbie and see what's going on with this house that I just flipped. Ringing the doorbell. Waiting for Miss Debbie to come out. See what's going on. Uh-oh, I hear the door open. Hello, Miss Debbie. Introduce the seller. How you doing? That's the seller. Let's zoom in on her. She looks pretty happy. I'm coming in.
I'm wore out.
So,
I'm
this is the nice little house.
I'm packing.
And she's actually packing. Why are you packing, Miss Debbie?
The buyer has this attitude that they get to have the place right after the closing. You know, they're funny that way.
So what you saying? You close the place?
So I got to be out of here before the closing.
So let me ask you a question, Miss Debbie.
Yeah.
How long, using my system, did you sell your house? How long did it take you?
I think it took a week.
1 week?
1 week.
And the house was gone just like that?
It was.
So did I do a good job, man?
You did a great job.
I did a great job?
You did a great job.
Okay.
So you'll have to come back and catch the buyer once they're in here.
Okay.
I don't know when that's going to be.
And who are you, Debbie? The what?
I'm the seller.
The who?
Well, actually, it's sold.
The who? You are the who?
The seller.
All right.
All right.
This is Robert, and I could do that for you too.